My name is Hari Stone, and I'm the Master Gardener Program Coordinator for Washington State University Kitsap Extension. At our agency, Clean Water Kitsap funds play a vital role in supporting various programs. These funds are specifically directed towards initiatives that focus on promoting environmental sustainability, education, and community engagement. One of the key programs funded by Clean Water is the Natural Yard Care Initiative. This initiative is designed to educate homeowners about sustainable and eco-friendly yard care practices. The funds enable our dedicated volunteers to conduct educational outreach to homeowners, providing them with valuable information about natural yard care techniques and organic gardening practices. This not only helps homeowners create healthier and more environmentally friendly landscapes, but also contributes to the overall health of our local ecosystems.
So I oversee the stream steward training, the salmon docent training, as well as help plan and facilitate Kitsap salmon tours and septic sets. My favorite part about my job is probably the volunteers. It amazes me. Just every year we train, just within the salmon docents and stream steward program, 50 to 60 volunteers a year. And every year I'm just impressed by the knowledge that they bring and that they are spending their time to make a difference in our community. They do so much work here, from cleaning up parks to doing water quality sampling, education and outreach. They work with all different organizations, from Great Peninsula Conservancy to Kitsap County Parks to Clear Creek Task Force. I'm just impressed by the amount of work that they do.